So if you're currently asking yourself the question, should I go with the Kajabi platform or should I go with the Udemy platform for my online business? Now, it's a fair question if you are new to both of these platforms, but they are both very different platforms. And in this video, I'm going to showcase exactly how different they are. I do a lot of software comparison videos, software as a service, and these two are very different. So it should be quite easy for you to understand which one you should go for, depending on the structure and the aim of your online business. Now, right from the very outset, full disclosure, I am a Kajabi user because it's structured in a way that my business, my online business, benefits from that. It's a digital product business, and that's what I do. But first of all, to distinguish between the two, I'm going to dive straight on over into my desktop and show you why these two platforms are so different. So first of all, here I am in Google, and these days you can just ask Google and the AI overview will just give you a good snapshot, a real good one-liner. So Udemy is an online learning platform where instructors create and sell courses on a wide range of topics, from business and IT to personal development and hobbies. But the main thing is here, it's a two-sided marketplace. So it is a marketplace. So if you just think this platform is mainly a marketplace for people to go and learn from, to purchase courses. But yes, there is the other side. If you're the creator, you can put your courses on there. So it's a marketplace. If you're struggling to get traffic, then this could be your best bet. Whereas Kajabi is an all-in-one platform. It prides itself by being the all-in-one platform for creators to build, market, and sell digital products like courses, memberships, and coaching programs. There is no marketplace here. Now, if you need to build your audience from scratch, this might not be the best fit for you, but we'll get into that in a sec. So let's have a look at online courses with Udemy. So again, it's that two-sided. You can open an account and then build your courses in here for you to sell on this platform, or you can actually go and have a look and learn as an end user. So some of these programs are already listed on here and you can actually dive deep into each different section. But just take a look at the pricing. This is a marketplace. So very similar to Amazon, you are pretty much dictated by the competition. So people are putting their listings next to each other. So have a think about how you want to sell your programs and what type of programs you want to sell. If it's automated digital courses, then this might be for you. But whereas Kajabi, if you have a look, it's dream it, build it, monetize it. It's an entire platform for you to build out. You're hosting your domain, you're having your own website on there, and you're putting all these products and services like online courses, coaching services, all of these things you can do within Kajabi. But then you're going to go and have to build your own audience. That's the only thing Kajabi don't have. Whereas for my online business, I use YouTube to grow my audience and Kajabi to deliver my digital products. So that's why I choose Kajabi. But if you're not into building your own audience, then Udemy might be good for you because it has a baked-in audience. So let's compare on pricing. As you understand now, they are both very different platforms. So the pricing is quite hard to compare. But here on Udemy, you can start as little as £12 a month, and then you can go up to a team plan and enterprise plan. But make sure you understand what you're getting for these different price plans. Whereas Kajabi, if I was to go onto here, it's a bit more expensive, but you get pretty much everything. If you want to go pro or growth, you get so much in this package. I still recommend people, if they're onto Kajabi, starting with the Kickstarter. That's what I did all those years ago, but then moved up to the basic and the growth is where I am right now. So the best thing here is to identify your business needs and then try and cross-correlate which plan suits you the best. Now the Kickstarter here has only 250 contacts, so if you are starting to grow any kind of contacts list, then you might have to move up to 2,500 on the basic. But just really dive deep into what you get for each of these price plans. That will determine which one you should start at. Always try and grow your price plan with your business. So if it is Kajabi that you're interested in, I'm going to dive into my Kajabi account. This is what the Kajabi backend looks like. And again, if you're trying to link up your own domain, host your website, build out your courses and your coaching services, you can do it all through here. All the products are down here on the left, courses, coaching. You can build out a community now. They've acquired Vibely and they're putting a lot of time and effort and attention onto the community platform. You can even host your podcast on here. It has newsletters and downloads. Here you can create unlimited offers, so you can create different checkouts for people to then purchase your programs. This is my website design, so anything you see from me here at timpeakman.com on my domain, this is what I have built out personally using the Kajabi platform. So I also host my blog on here as well. I use this for all of my digital products. So then if you wanted to go onto coaching, you'll see some of my products and services, and then people open up their own account and go into their library and go through products and services here. It also has your branded app. Email marketing is baked in here. It's also a CRM. You can manage your contacts here. So this is really the digital delivery solution. If you're building an online audience, this is how you deliver your products and services. And I've been, like I said, using this platform since 2018, and it's got everything and more for what my business requires. So to sum that up then, if you're looking for a digital products platform and you need to grow your audience as well, Kajabi has everything you need. But if you don't have an audience and you don't want to grow your audience and you want a ready-made audience and a marketplace that you can sell your maybe lower ticket digital products like courses, then Udemy might be for you. But it's not to say you can't start on Udemy and then cross over to Kajabi later on, or start on Kajabi and go across to Udemy. It's entirely up to you how you want to structure your online business, but Udemy is essentially a two-way marketplace with that ready-made audience, and Kajabi is that all-in-one platform if you're looking to sell digital products and build your own audience. But if Kajabi has got you interested, as I am a Kajabi partner, I can get you an extended 30-day free trial if you wanted to take this platform out for a spin and see what is under the hood. That's over double the 14-day free trial available to the public just by using my link. Now, this link is an affiliate link, but all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you if you choose to go over those 30 free days trial. But if you do sign up to Kajabi using my link immediately, I'm going to automate you a free program. It's called Kajabi Unboxed. This is the program that I wish I had when I first started out my Kajabi journey. I'm going to teach you how to unbox your Kajabi account in the right way, ready for scale. But if you do choose to go past those 30 days and use this platform for your entire online business like me, as a second thank you from me, I'm going to automate you another program. It's called Kajabi Sales Page Templates. All you need to do is reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, show me you're a Kajabi user, and I'm going to automate you this program. You can just download these templates and upload them into your Kajabi account and use these sales page templates as a start for 10. That link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check out some of the awesome bonuses on that page. Hopefully this video has provided you with some real value, and I look forward to seeing you on the very next one.